Hello, I am Dr. S. Mishra. I'm a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to our channel Now Ask the Doctor. Today, in this video, I will explain the meaning of three commonly used medical terms in a simple way. I will tell you what is an epidemic, what do you mean by pandemic, and what is an endemic. I will explain with examples for your ease of understanding. So let's start. So first I will discuss about the term epidemic. So what is an epidemic? What do you mean by the term epidemic? Epidemic simply means a sudden outbreak of a disease in a certain geographical area. Now, the epidemic word comes from a Greek word epidemos, where epi means above and demos mean people. So, epidemic basically refers to a sudden increase in the number of cases of a disease above what is normally expected in that population in that specific area. So, an epidemic is any rise in cases beyond the baseline for that geographic area. So, an epidemic is the rapid spread of a disease to a large number of people in a given population and within a short period of time. Now, let me give you an example. In 1974, the smallpox epidemic of India was one of the worst smallpox epidemics of the 20th century, and it occurred 3 years before smallpox was eradicated. Over 15,000 people contracted and died from smallpox between January and May 1974, and most of the deaths occurred in Indian states of Bihar, Orissa, and West Bengal. So, this is an example of epidemic where there is a sudden outbreak of a disease. Here, in this example, the smallpox within a specific geographic area. In this example, within the some parts of India, within a specific region of India, parts of Bihar, Orissa, and West Bengal, and within a specific period of time. In this example, the time is between January 1974 to May 1974. Examples of major epidemics are cholera, measles, malaria, dengue fever. So, whenever there is a sudden outbreak of these diseases in a specific geographical area, it is an epidemic. Let me give you another example of epidemic. In 1994, there was an outbreak of bubonic and pneumonic plague in India. In the south, central and western India from 26th August to 18th October 1994. About 693 suspected cases and 56 deaths were reported from the 5 affected Indian states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and New Delhi. There were no reports of cases being exported to other countries. So, this is an example of epidemic. Now, let's come to pandemic. What is a pandemic? Pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that has spread across several countries or continents. Pandemic refers to an epidemic that has spread over several countries or continents, usually affecting a large number of people. Now, a very important point about the word or about the term pandemic should be clear in our mind. The point is, a disease or condition is not a pandemic simply because it is widespread or kills many people, but it must also be infectious. For example, cancer is responsible for many deaths, but it is not considered a pandemic because the cancer is not contagious, that is, it is not easily transmittable, and it is not infectious. Thus, a pandemic is an epidemic of an infectious disease that has spread across a large region, for instance, multiple continents or worldwide, and affecting huge number of people. Currently and unfortunately, we all are aware of the example of pandemic. Yes, it is the COVID-19 outbreak. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization officially declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic due to the global spread and severity of the disease. Now let's discuss about endemic. So what is endemic, or what do you mean by the word endemic? So the word endemic also originated from a Greek word where en means within or in and demos means people or population. So an infection is said to be endemic in a population when that infection is constantly maintained at a baseline level within a specific geographic area and without external inputs. Remember, in case of epidemic, the infection or the disease was above the baseline level. But in case of endemic, the infection is maintained at a baseline level. Now, the endemic stage of any disease is reached when a large section of the population becomes immune to the disease either through antibodies required from a prior infection or through vaccination. Examples of endemics: it includes chickenpox, malaria, dengue, so many diseases where there are predictable number of cases every year in certain parts of the world. Polio is also endemic in few countries. That's all for today. If you find our video informative, then please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and information. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.